Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for the best everyday carry EDC gear this Black Friday, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down some of the most practical, durable, and innovative EDC products you'll want to snag this season. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these deals are too good to miss. First up, we've got the Gerber Gear Truss 17-in-1 EDC multi-tool. Now, this is not your ordinary pocket tool. This thing's got it all. It features 17 different tools packed into one compact design, from needle nose pliers to wire cutters, saw, a full serrated blade, scissors, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. This tool covers all the bases. Perfect for those moments when you're caught without the right tool. It's built to last with stainless steel and even comes with a tool lock for added safety. I love that it's compact enough to carry around in your pocket or clip onto your gear. And speaking of which, it also includes a mall-compatible sheath for all you tactical enthusiasts. Camping, hiking, or just dealing with daily tasks, this is your go-to EDC tool. Plus, Gerber backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. Next, let's talk about the INIU portable charger, a must-have for those who never want their phone to die, especially while on the go. This power bank is compact but powerful, with 10 mAh of power packed into a body 23% smaller and 38% lighter than most others. It's equipped with 22.5 watts fast charging, meaning you can juice up your iPhone from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. And it's versatile. This charger has both USB-C input and output, which means it works with all the latest devices. You can even charge up to 3 devices at once. So whether you're with friends or on a solo trip, everyone can stay powered up. And my favorite feature, the built-in phone holder that allows you to watch videos hands-free while you charge. Super convenient for those long trips. If you're looking for a belt that combines comfort with style, you can't go wrong with a Groove belt. This isn't just any belt. It's engineered with a proprietary stretch nylon material that's both durable and super comfortable. You won't have to adjust it 5 times a day like most belts, just set it once and forget about it. What's really cool here is the magnetic buckle. It clicks securely into place with rare earth magnets, making it not only easy to use, but also really sturdy. And you get a lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured knowing this belt is built for adventure. Let's take a look at the Civivi folding utility knife, a versatile tool that's a perfect addition to any EDC collection. It's equipped with replaceable razor-sharp blades, so you'll always have a fresh edge. Whether you're cutting boxes, opening packages, or making precise cuts, this knife makes it effortless. The handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, and it's ergonomically designed to ensure a secure and comfortable grip. Plus, with 3 ways to open it: flipper, thumb stud, or button, you've got options for quick deployment. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry with a reversible clip, this is one EDC knife that's ready for anything. The JUKMO tactical belt is another standout for your everyday carry setup. This tactical belt is designed for durability and comfort, perfect for both work and play. The high-quality nylon webbing stretches just enough to provide the perfect fit, and the metal buckle ensures it stays in place all day. Whether you're at the range, in the field, or just need a sturdy belt for daily use, this one checks all the boxes. And it's built to withstand any adventure. If you need to keep your gear organized, the Maxpedition Mini Pocket Organizer is exactly what you need. This little guy is perfect for keeping your small items in one place, whether it's tools, first aid supplies, or tech gear. Inside, you've got elastic organizers, slip pockets, and even a key leash. Everything stays neat and secure. It fits easily into your bag or attaches to mall gear, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about clutter. For the adventurers, hikers, and campers out there, the Survival Kit is a great Black Friday deal. This 13-in-1 kit includes everything you might need, from a tactical pen to a compass, flashlight, multi-use spoon, and more. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or just preparing for an emergency, this kit covers all the essentials. The best part? It comes in a waterproof box that fits easily into your backpack, car, or gear. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves the outdoors. Looking for a sleek, minimalist wallet? Check out this RFID blocking leather wallet. It's thin, stylish, and practical. You get 8 card slots, a clear ID window, and the ability to keep your personal info safe with RFID blocking technology. Perfect for travel, work, or everyday use. It's slim enough to fit in any pocket or bag without causing that uncomfortable bulge. And the leather feels premium, only getting better with age. Last but not least, we have the PeakPlus Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. This little flashlight is a powerhouse. With 5 light modes and a zoomable focus, you can go from a broad floodlight to a pinpoint spotlight in seconds. And it's water resistant, so you can take it anywhere, rain or shine. The best part? It runs on a rechargeable battery, but you can also use AA batteries if needed. A must-have in your EDC setup for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Finally, if you're all about keeping your pockets slim and secure, check out the SERMAN brand's Money Clip wallet. This wallet features RFID blocking technology to keep your personal info safe. Plus, it's designed to hold everything you need without the bulk. With card slots, a photo ID window, and a stainless steel money clip for cash, this is the ultimate minimalist wallet. And over time, the full-grain leather develops a rich patina, giving it a personalized touch. It's a sleek, stylish, and functional wallet for everyday carry. And that's it for today's roundup of the best everyday carry Black Friday deals. Whether you're looking for a multi-tool, a compact power bank, or a stylish wallet, these products are designed to make your daily life easier and more organized. Don't forget to check